Tonight, the NAU shooting trial saga continues as the defense files a motion for a retrial. This comes after closing arguments were made yesterday and the jury had been giving instructions for deliberation.
And today, the trial judge sent the jury home from deliberations while this mistrial motion is being considered. NAZ Today's Connor Sweeman has been following these developments and joins us now with the latest. Connor?
Thanks, Sunday. That's right. A motion for a mistrial was filed today by Stephen Jones's defense attorneys. The motion stems from some of the arguments that prosecuting attorney Ammon Barker brought up during his closing arguments yesterday.
And then later, of course, we heard from Deputy Labarro talking about how after he was arrested, the defendant, he was put in the back of that patrol car. Deputy Labarro was standing guard outside of that car. And the defendant told him, "Nobody did anything wrong but me."
Those statements had been precluded by Judge Dan Slayton during pretrial hearings as self-serving and would not be allowed to be used by Jones when he testified. Slayton said the argument that Barker used in his closing argument took the actual statements made by Jones out of context, saying that the jury was left with the impression that only statements Jones made about self-defense were during the 8-hour interview he had with police. Today, Slayton told the attorneys to come up with their best arguments on how to proceed with the case.
And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to order the jury to adjourn for today, to cease deliberations, and then I want the attorneys to give me their best memorandum on how I should handle this case and how I should rule.
Judge Slayton added that he was in unfamiliar territory and that he couldn't say with certainty whether or not he could declare a mistrial. Slayton and the attorneys will meet again at 9 a.m. tomorrow to hear arguments about the mistrial and to make a ruling.